just wanted to do a kind of longer form video on WIF. Now, WIF was obviously one of the first meme coins on Solana. It's what brought the hype, similar with Bonk and things like that. It's what kind of kick-started the meme frenzy, you know. So just looking at WIF here, obviously we've had terrible times for memes over the last year or so. Is the Binance chart is missing some price action down here, but this is good enough. So obviously we hit $5. This candle here was the Coinbase listing announcement, classic. We've just kind of like bled out, and we've been chopping for like a terribly long period of time. But now we're starting to see a little bit of a platform and a formation to develop. So as you can see here, we're kind of putting in this like ultra big range. So what we really need to do, and obviously I've marked up here a fair value gap much higher, which I do expect with the tag when things get going again. But let's just focus on this range that we're building here and see when we can get a long entry, a short entry, whatever. The daily will be good enough for us on this. It's a decent range on a decent time frame. When was this? Let's see. This was May to September 2025. So we've got a couple levels here, really, and as you can see, in my mind, we're approaching an area where you would want to take a little bit of a risk on this asset. So just looking at it more closely, we've kind of got 2 points. So one point is this demand side liquidity down here, which I expect to get tagged before any considerable change in trajectory. So we have this here, but we also have this fair value gap here, which is around 0.85. Now, there's kind of two things I'm looking at. One is continuation down here, sweep this and then go up. The other one is take out this fair value gap here, get everyone bullish, a few tricks of the trade, and then come down to sweep this demand liquidity before eventually starting to fill out the rest of this range and hopefully start to break out when things start to look better. So for me, I mean, this would be a perfect scenario here, but really you don't want to be going risk on until we sweep this demand side liquidity here. That's the less riskiest place to put bids in for WIF, i.e. the least amount of gambling. That's where your odds are much better. So for me, yeah, on WIF, just waiting for this here, and then the bigger picture kind of looks like a further breakout to fill this gap, should we get it. But we'll deal with this kind of range break when we get to it. But for now, we're going to be setting bids down here and waiting. Hope that helped. Hope everyone's good. Like, comment, do all that.